Today I'm going to teach you how to block Google Ads on Android devices. This is particularly useful when you want to prevent your ad campaigns from showing on Android phones or tablets, helping you focus your advertising budget on other platforms that might perform better for your specific goals. First, open your web browser and navigate to ads.google.com. Once you're on the page, log into your Google Ads account using your credentials. After you've successfully logged in, you'll land on your Google Ads dashboard. From here, look at the left navigation menu and locate the option labeled Campaigns. Click on it to proceed to the next step. This is where you'll manage all your advertising campaigns and make the necessary adjustments to control where your ads appear. Now, after clicking on Campaigns, the menu will expand to show you additional options. You'll notice a Campaigns drop-down appears. Click on Campaigns again from this expanded menu. This might seem a bit repetitive, but it's just how Google Ads organizes its navigation to help you drill down into specific campaign settings. At this point, you'll see a complete list of all the campaigns you currently have running under your Google Ads account. This overview gives you a snapshot of your advertising efforts across different initiatives. Now, simply select the specific campaign where you want to block Android devices. Hover your cursor over the campaign name and you'll notice a small gear icon appears next to it. This gear icon represents the settings for that particular campaign. Go ahead and click on it to access the campaign's configuration options. Once you're inside the campaign settings page, scroll down toward the bottom where you'll find a section labeled Additional Settings. Click on this to reveal more options. Within the expanded Additional Settings section, you'll see a subsection called Device. Click on the drop-down arrow next to Device to expand this section further. This is where you'll gain control over which devices your ads will be shown on. In the Device section, look for and click on the radio button that says Set Specific Targeting for Device. Once you select this option, the section will expand even more, presenting you with detailed targeting choices. You'll now see various device categories and options. Under the Advanced Targeting for Devices option, locate and click on Operating Systems. This allows you to be very precise about which operating systems you want to include or exclude from your ad delivery. Here's where you make the critical change. You'll see a list of different operating systems. Select everything except Android. By doing this, you're essentially telling Google Ads to show your advertisements on all operating systems except Android devices. After making your selections, click the Done button to confirm your choices. Finally, make sure to save your settings by clicking the Save button located at the bottom right part of the section. You've now successfully configured your campaign to block ads from appearing on Android devices. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.